So hi, and welcome back to my garage. Today I've been out trying out my new pipe that I built in the last episode, and at first it went really well. I had a major kick, about 7,000 RPMs or something and up, and I just wanted to see what kind of at first I just test run it pretty soft, and then I went home and I mounted my wideband lambda, and I looking like this, and suddenly it started to it was really fast, and suddenly it just started to rev, and it was like jumping away, and I thought, what is this crazy power in this new pipe? And then suddenly it shut off. And at first I didn't know, because I had been through some trouble, of course, before, with seized pistons and so on, and even holes in them, but and this time it was very different. It just shut off, and the engine shut off, and but I keep rolling. So I guessed pretty fast that it must have been the belt that was teared off. This is what is left of the belt, and I must say this is a new belt. So it's not new now, but it was new. I just changed it because I wanted to have no problems in this summer. So. But it snapped, and all of these pieces here was inside. All the weights, the variator weights, was melted, and this was also had marks in it, because I used this when I tune it in. I use this kind of weights where you put small weights inside, and tune it in for the right, before you just buy the right ones. So if we look at the crankshaft here, where this outer wheel is, you can see that the splines on the shaft, on the crankshaft, is blown away. So what I have to do now is to change the crankshaft, the bearings, the seals, and make a total tear down of the engine. It wasn't too bad, because it's time to do something about the bearings anyway. So, but but also I have to think about what's the real problem here. Of course, the new pipe put some more power to the engine, but I'm not sure if that is the full answer to the problem, why it happened, because this is kind of strange that you have new belt on and it breaks just during normal run. So yeah, probably I have a problem with the new gearing. That's the only thing I can think of. It runs, when you gear up, you will get more, how to say, there is more load on the motor, on the engine in front. So I think the load is too heavy, and it must have been that made the belt snap. I don't know, that's my only guess right now. So I think what I will do is to tear down the engine, and I will change also the gearing in the back again, back to original, and I'll change the crankshaft, bearings, the seals, and I'll make a series about that too, so you will be able to see that. And in next step will be probably to, I don't know if I dare to run with this pipe. Maybe it's too powerful. Maybe I have to go back to the old one, because you always reach a limit where Yeah, well, this I mean, this engine is not made for like 20 horsepower, so maybe that's a problem. We will see. I just thought I should update you on this because yeah, so you see, this is something that can happen. So, but I'm not too sad anyway, because shit happens and you have to deal with it, and that's what I'm going to do. So, see you next time.